I know if you fight kung fu, but I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. I know if you die for you, ladies, but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. Yeah, KOLORSBYKEL. We could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long. Yeah, KOLORSBYKEL. We could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long. Oh, yeah. Give me slow wine in a fast car. I get money like bastard. You know, feel it my last card. I want to know your cash app. Oh, you want to make me do shit, no? Cause your body's heavy, loving. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, so I have these bins I'm gonna go through. I have a ton of little like bins and paperwork and all that stuff that needs to get purged out, and this is going to be the easiest way. Okay, here's a bin, right? This is a random bin. These bins, we had so many when we moved out here to Florida. This is kind of how we traveled with. Let's go. So I will dump out this stuff. This little cute pot I'm gonna keep. This can go to the trash. Okay, so here is a closer look of the things I had in my beach bag. How much we've gotten accomplished. So this is the keep. This is trash. We got more trash than anything. I'm gonna go through this pile and eliminate some of this. Keep, that's empty, and that's empty. So we're doing so good.
Talk about your hiccups and things like that. Make this not a smooth process, right? So
To get organized. I am so tired of my vacuum being all over the place. So this just came in. It's actually been here for like almost a week.
They call him back, Rochelle Rosalind. Yeah, it got little squishy feet. So you want to scratch your floor up.
No.
Put the pole on there. That the right way?
No? No? Oh Lord.
Uh-oh.
Hey, I know this goes like this though. See, look. So he's just taking this piece back off and running the cord.
I don't have to.
I don't think you have to either. It said clip it.
Could go all the way around to the top.
Just pull it through. Just put the cord through the hole.
I understand, but when they come through the hole, then what? What's about? What about?
Turn it.
Well, what's the? Oh, this just to pull this out.
Yeah, just to pull it out.
I thought
and
it was
then
for
you just run the cords. So.
Tool. You ready to do that?
Worry about this getting damaged anymore. It's out the way. It's charging when it's on the base, and then you just.
I like to say, where's the vacuum?
Right. It should be always on the base.
You put them back here. So if you got another piece,
Well, that's why I ended up buying this little piece.
Oh, this
but you
plastic
just
piece?
squeeze that off if you want to.
Well, you can stick it.
Stick it there too. You got. I have way more gadgets.
But your head, the head come off too, so you can.
I have other heads too, so I can just place it there too.
That's why you got a whole
Yeah,
garbage box for the vacuum parts.
Yeah. All right, sir. Boom. Usually you just take your little vacuum, this little part, and place it on here and suck all the air out, and they get really flat. These bags are pretty old, hassle down here. And I was just a little rough with it, so I just put a whole slit in the bag. I'm still gonna use it until I get some new ones, but I will link them down below. They're really great to get your seasonal items put away. And then usually you just close this up. I'm just so disappointed. But you'll go like this. And if you use a Dyson, you have to push this little button right here. Okay. I found this cute little pillow. I thought I was gonna place it onto my couch, or my bed. I didn't know which one, but we're gonna place it here. It was only $12.99 from Home Goods. Let me tear this off. Tear the tag off. Cute. It has beading and it has these little pom-poms. Just says love. And I'm just gonna add it. Just add this little heart. Either way, it's just a little silicone, and it just has little cute sayings, cute pie, cutie pie, be mine, I love you. So make some ice and all of that. Came from Home Goods as well. And then these little pads to protect your surface. This stuff is mixed in. Some of it is Home Goods and some of it is from Target, but these are from Home Goods for $3.99. Came out of Target. I'm going to replace the one that we had on our couches. Just a simple hearth in hand. It is a throw. It looks like some tag or something, a little thing ripped off, but $29.99 and it's hearth in hand, and it's just a nice little or from the Dollar Tree. I ended up not even using it. I got it out of West Ham, but it just says cheers. How cute is this cup? I love mugs. I need to stop buying mugs, but I have this mug. It was from Nordstrom Rack, and it says love. I thought it was cute. I don't know where I put it, but it came out of Target in the bathroom section. So it's mirrored, and it's, I found that I have these from the Dollar Tree, so I'm just gonna finish adding them into that wreath. What? What you do?
Stop my fucking video. Stop the video when I was watching the video. From here, I was right here looking, and all I see is this shit go across the screen. Video stop.
She didn't want to be bothered with it. She on my type of time. Get out of my video.
Like how to maybe y'all. She don't like cameras and stuff.
Okay, here goes another little stand. I thought it was super cute. It came from Target, hearth in hand. It was like 30 bucks. Oh, $39.99. But I like, we have a ton of new plants that's like coming out, that's like moving or that's getting too large for these shelves. So I found this little stand here, heart, that came from Target. It's only like a few bucks. Yeah. So this also came from Home Goods. Forgot to share the length of it right there. Okay, so I just added these little candles. Target do have a heart-shaped candle one day if I make it over to grab one on the list. These are pretty roses. And then also styled this little smoke, this candle snuffer. Okay, this is Marshall's This came from Home Goods, this love sign, and that came from the Target dollar. This at Marshall's, nope, Home Goods. This was for $39.99 at Home Goods. How cute. It's like the Le Creuset dupe. Little heart cast iron. Nice weight. This is from Williams Sonoma. It's a really cute. So they have a few different sizes. That's all they had in store. And then this is by Emily Henry. It's exclusive. Wait. Okay, this cute candle came from Pottery Barn, but like I said, Target has their version, and it's much cheaper and affordable at Target. But this one is from Pottery Barn, and this is the smaller size. I started burning it.